Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Kids colors name: yellow color, red color, blue color, green color, black color and white color. Kids now coloring ABC 1 to 3 and 2D shapes. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use yellow color. The alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use red color. The alphabets of B. Kids neither C. C for cat, C for car, and use blue color. The alphabets of C. Kids neither D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D, and use green color. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use black color. Kids neither numbers, and first draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use yellow color. O and E1. The numbers of 1. Kids neither 2. The numbers of 2, and use red color. T, W, or 2. Kids neither 3. The numbers of 3, and use blue color. T, H, R, W 3. Kids neither 4. The numbers of 4, and use green color. F, O, U are 4. Kids neither 5. The numbers of 5, and use black color. The numbers of 5. F, I, V, E 5. Kids night shapes, and first is a triangle. The shape of triangle and use yellow color. The shape of triangle. Kids night a circle. The shape of circle and use red color. Kids night a heart. The shape of heart and use blue color. Kids night a Easter. The shape of Easter and use green color. Kids night a pentagon. The shape of pentagon and use black color. Kids last eat a square. The shape of square and use white color. The shape of square. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.